What if I told you there are websites that can put money in your account every single day? No waiting weeks, no complicated payouts, just real cash. Today, I will show you 4 powerful websites that actually pay you daily. The first step in our list is Surf.b. Surf.b is a platform that pays you for simply being online. After signing up, you can either install your browser extension for a fully automated experience, or if you prefer, use their website directly without the extension. In both cases, small ads will appear while you surf the web. You don't need to click on anything. The ads just run quietly and you get paid. The best part, you are monetizing something you already do every day. Whether you choose the extension for convenience or just stick to the website, Surf.b works passively in the background. Watching videos, reading articles, or scrolling social media, all of it starts earning you cash instantly. Next in the list we have PawnsApp. PawnsApp literally pays you daily for doing nothing more than keeping your internet connection on. Once you sign up, you install the PawnsApp program on your phone or computer. From there, the app securely shares a tiny portion of your unused internet bandwidth with trusted companies that need it for things like testing websites, delivering contents, and running research. Don't worry, your personal data stays private. You just let the app run in the background and the money starts coming in. Your earnings depend on 2 things: how much internet you share and how many devices you connect. With just one device, you can easily earn a few dollars daily. Add more devices or keep them online longer and the earning increase. And just like Surf.b, PawnsApp offers daily payouts, so you don't have to wait weeks to see your money. You can cash out via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. Next we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular reward sites in the world. It gives you multiple ways to earn, from answering surveys, playing games, and shopping online to simply watching short video clips. Basically, you are earning while doing things you would normally do on the internet anyway. The app uses a point system called SB. Every task shows exactly how many SB you will earn. For example, completing a 5-minute survey could give you 100 SB, while signing up for a free trial might give you several hundred SB in one go. These points can be redeemed for PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, or rewards from dozens of big brands. Here is how to really get the most of Swagbucks. Start by doing the daily poll and daily checklists for easy bonuses. Then move to high-paying surveys and offers. If you shop online, make sure you do it through Swagbucks for instant cashback. And don't forget the referral program. You will earn 10% of your friend's lifetime earnings, which is passive income you don't want to miss. The last step in our list is Userlytics. Userlytics is not your typical survey site. Instead of answering surveys all day, you actually get paid to test websites, apps, and digital experiences. Companies want real feedback from users like you to improve their platforms, and they are willing to pay good money for it. Once you sign up and get approved, you will receive invites to different usability tests. A test might ask you to explore a website, try out an app, or complete certain tasks while sharing your thoughts out loud. Most tests only take 10 to 20 minutes, and payments are made via PayPal once you completed them. To increase your chances of getting more tests, make sure your profile is complete and detailed, so you are matched with the right studies. Respond to invites quickly, because spots fill up fast. And always give clear, thoughtful feedback. This helps you get higher paying tests in the future.